If you're encountering a credit sync error on Credit Karma Business, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem efficiently. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause syncing issues. Try switching to a different network or resetting your router if necessary. Step 2. Update the app. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use iStroke to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Clear cache and data. Clear the app's cache and data to remove any temporary files that may be causing the error. Go to your device settings, find the Credit Karma app, and select the options to clear cache and data. Step 4. Reconnect your accounts. Sometimes, disconnecting and reconnecting your financial accounts can resolve sync errors. Open the app, go to the account settings, remove the linked accounts, and then add them back again. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the error persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Credit Karma's customer support. Provide them with details about the issue, and they can assist you further in resolving the sync error. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the credit sync error on Credit Karma Business. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from support.